Now, if you want to know about factorization, it's pretty simple, but you also need to know what expansion is. So right now I'm going to expand this. How you expand this, I'm sure I've seen this before. It's pretty simple. This bracket is multiplying this bracket. You just have to multiply each component of this bracket with that bracket. I'll explain. Why explain when I can show you? So you see over here, I've written the same bracket in both this bracket. So I have taken this x and multiplied it with this bracket, and I've taken that 2 plus 2, multiplied it with that bracket, and then I add everything together. That's how I would have expanded. Now x squared, x times that is plus 3x, plus 2 times that's going to give me plus 2x, then plus 2 times that's going to give me plus 6. So it's going to give me x squared plus 5x plus 6